Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to check calculator history on Android. Let's jump right into the steps. In order to check your calculator history, first you'll need to tap in the calculator icon. From here, you can type in all your basic mathematical problems. And in order to look for history, you can tap on the clock-like icon. And just like that, you can see all your calculator history. You can also clear history from here simply by tapping on the clear history button on the bottom. You have successfully cleared your history as well as learned to check your calculator history on Android. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to leave us a like, share and subscribe.